Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Airflow DAGs and metadata with managed services. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your Apache Airflow environment. Access your Airflow instance where the DAGs and metadata are stored. Ensure you have the required permissions to handle the backup process. Start by backing up the DAG files. Locate the directory where your DAG files are stored. Copy the entire DAG folder to a secure location. You may choose to use a cloud storage service like AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, or Azure Blob Storage. Next, we will focus on backing up the Airflow metadata database. Identify the type of database you are using for Airflow metadata. Common options include PostgreSQL, MySQL, or SQLite. For PostgreSQL, use the following command to create a dump. Run pg_dumpu, username, h, host, p, port, database, airflow_metadata_backup.sql. Replace username, host, port, and database with your actual credentials. For MySQL, use a similar command. Execute miscldumpu, username, p, database, airflow_metadata_backup. Again, replace the placeholders with your actual database details. If you're using SQLite, simply copy the SQLite database file. Next, make sure to securely store your backups. You can upload them to the same cloud storage used for your DAG files. Consider setting up automated scripts for regular backups. Using cron jobs or managed services can significantly simplify this process. Ensure to monitor your backups for success and integrity. Every backup strategy should include a testing phase. Periodically restore backups to verify their completeness and accuracy. With these steps followed diligently, you can effectively manage your Airflow DAGs and metadata backup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.